everyone, it's your girl Ruby Suze in the house, and I'm back with another video. I am gonna give you a little bonus video and show you how to do a really easy like faux bun. So I got to do the top knot bun, which is what I've been craving for the longest. So I'm now going to give you a little tutorial on how to achieve a top knot bun with short to medium length dreads. So to do this style, what you need is, and what I've decided to go for, are these quite large. This is totally like outstretched by now. I'm pretty sure my children have been using this as some kind of toy. Anyway, it's one of these large rubber bands which you can buy from Superdrug or any hair shop. You will also need this very fine mesh hairnet. Now I got this from Superdrug and it was 2 for £1.59, and you can already see I've kind of got a hole in there already, but don't worry about that, it'll work. It'll work, it'll work, it'll work. I'll make it work. You will need a few bobby pins as well. SOS, can anyone help me? I found these random hairpins in my house sometime, and I've only got 3 left. But I love these pins because they are so large and they go straight in any hair type, and they used to hold onto my wig with such ease, better than these ones. So if anyone can tell me where I can find these, like, please let me know, because I've been trailing the internet trying to look for them. Anyway, now back to the hair tutorial. So what you need to do first of all is to grab all your hair into one. So what I usually do is flip my head forward, yeah, and gather all my hair in this thing. So hopefully you'll be able to catch this. So I'm going to move back. So I flip my hair down. So now I've got all my hair up in the bun. I'm just going to pull everything through to make sure it's nice and tight. This is where the magic happens. You're going to take your net and you're going to place it over the top. Okay, you're going to gather all the hair here, and what you're going to do now is swoop it round. Grab a couple of pins and just pin the hairnet with your hair in place. And basically, there you have your bun. How cute is that, right? Okay, so I don't have the spiky pineapple look. It's all in there, all encased. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a bun using short to medium sized locks. So I really hope you enjoyed my video. I really am loving my lock journey so far. Thanks to all my people who are lock wearers who have recently joined the family. Welcome, come and share your tips and advice. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.